Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I'll show you how to use Learn Japanese and Speak Japanese by AWABE that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest video. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store up and running, and in here search in Learn Japanese. So Learn Japanese and Speak. So here it is, the second one. And before we install this app, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So here, learn with videos, learn with books, grammar, kanji, Japanese song, comics, communication, and so on. So songs, you'll be able to listen to Doraemon, Sakura, and a lot more. So there. Alright, let's go back and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that Learn Japanese and Speak Japanese contains over 1,000 commonly used Japanese phrases and vocabularies for travelers and beginners. Using this app, you can learn from our Japanese-speaking parrot. The parrot works together with you to practice your speaking and listening skills wherever and whenever you are. Learning Japanese can never be easier. So the main features again, it's going to be commonly used Japanese phrases and vocabularies, carefully translated list of essential phrases for learn words or phrases. And what's good about this app is that it doesn't require you to be connected to the internet. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it, and we need to allow it. And here it is. So this is the home page or the dashboard, and you'll be able to see all the categories in here. So greetings, just tap the greeting and tap this one to listen to a Japanese speaking. So you'll be able to know how to speak it properly or how to pronounce it properly. So just tap this. So hello is konnichiwa, and this one is how are you? Genki desu ka? Genki desu. Genki de wa arimasen, and not well, thanks, and so on. So here, nansai desu ka? How old are you? And if you want to add this to your favorites, just tap this one, and as you may have noticed here at the bottom, add it to your favorite list. This one is your, do you want to add all the words or phrases to your favorite list to be reminded? Okay, you can add all by tapping this heart. So let me just cancel that part and just select a few of the phrases in here. So nice to meet you. Let's add it to our favorites. So let's go back and check the other things in here. So reading tab is where you can practice reading. So let's try this one. What is the temperature? Alright, so kore ni shio kakeru shite oderu. So this is a reading. You'll be able to practice reading this one. Why do you feel? Okay, hi. Okay, just read this one. Kore wa yono desu. So this is a conversation. And idioms. Let's check the idioms tab, and this is where we can see this idiomatic expression. So noise like a broken bee, hachi wa hachi no so tsuitayo, hippari dako, comradeship, and so on. So let's also check the favorites. So as you can see, I have added two phrases, words in my favorite, and this one, if you tap this, you'll have to install a translation feature. So do you want to continue? Let me just cancel that part since it's going to take some time to download the file. So you can use the search in here, type a word, and or you can scroll it, look for the particular word that you want to use. Let's say, for example, this one, could you help me? So tap this one, and then you'll be able to listen. Tetsudate koremasu ka? So you can say it like this, Tetsudate koremasu ka or Tasukite koremasu ka? It's up to you. And also, let's check the menu in here. So in menu, we can have the ads removed by upgrading this application. Voice translate, So you're going to use the translation vocabulary there. So it's going to take for a while depending on your internet speed. Let me just go back and check the other settings in here. Conversation there. So let's try this one. Please download Japanese listening app to learn these lessons. So this is a Japanese listening, and you'll have to install it, and then you'll be able to play it and listen. I'm not going to do that right now since I have a slow internet, and it's going to take a while to download the audio file. So let me just cancel that part. So the same goes for the rest. The same thing for the rest. You'll have to download the audio file for the conversation to work, and writing is where you can practice writing. So it needs to have you'll have to install it. So there you'll have to go to Play Store and install and additional resources. So other AWABE app, so you can check their other applications created by the same author. Share if you want to share it, rate the app, send feedback. Settings, let's check the settings. So settings, there's nothing much in here. You can only select your native language. Mine is English. Reminder interval 2 hours. You can set this one up if you want to. I'll just leave it to default. And also, so just select the tab in here so the tab works properly. For the home page, you will be able to see all of these categories. So tourist attractions, and you'll have this sentence and phrase and words. So chemist, pharmacy, yakyoku, ichiban chikai byoin wa doko desu ka? Where's the nearest hospital? And so on. So this one here, if you notice, there's a play button. If you tap the play button in here, you'll be able to listen to all of these words. This one is where you can record your own voice so that you can practice pronouncing their words. So the same goes for this one. Just tap this and you'll be able to record your voice. This one is you can listen to this particular phrases. So just tap watashi wa yokonde. So you just have to answer it. Tap this one and you'll be able to hear it, and then select the answer in here. So this one is wrong. Okay, it's ambulance execution. So that's how you use this application, and it's really handy and easy to use. So I suggest that before you travel to Japan, make sure you bring this app with you. It's really easy to use and very handy. So that's how you use this application. I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.